Over the hills and far from mine, she's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her